What if the food on your plate could actually unclog your arteries? Not a supplement, not a medication, just a real food backed by real science. Today I'm going to show you exactly what to eat to protect your heart, reduce plaque buildup, and lower your risk of a heart attack or stroke. And the results from the research are honestly surprising. How plaque actually builds up. Before we get to the food, we need to understand what is actually happening inside your arteries. Because once you see it, everything else makes sense. Think of your arteries like water pipes. When they are healthy, they are smooth and flexible on the inside, and blood flows through them easily. But over time, things like chronic stress, poor diet, processed foods, and constant low grade inflammation start to damage the inner lining of those pipes. Once that lining gets rough and sticky, cholesterol and calcium begin to accumulate there. Over time, that buildup becomes what we call plaque. And here is the part most people don't know. There are actually two types. Hard plaque acts like concrete. It narrows the arteries slowly, but soft plaque is far more dangerous. It is unstable and it can rupture without warning. When it does, your body rushes in a blood clot to seal it, and that clot can completely block the artery, triggering a heart attack or stroke. So, the goal is not just to reduce plaque, it is to stabilize the dangerous kind. And that is exactly where these five foods come in. Food number one, fatty fish. The foundation of this heart protective plate is fatty fish, salmon, sardine, mackerel, or herring. These fish are loaded with omega 3 fatty acids, and one in particular called EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, does something remarkable. EPA actually penetrates the outer wall of soft plaque and strengthens it from the inside, reducing the inflammation within it and making it far less likely to rupture. Think of it like reinforcing a crumbling wall before it collapses. The evidence is hard to ignore. A landmark clinical trial called Reduce It, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, found that people who took concentrated EPA had a 25% reduction in heart attacks, strokes, and cardiovascular deaths. That is enormous. Aim for fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. Skip the deep fryer, bake it, grill it, or steam it to keep those omega 3s intact. Food number two, dark leafy greens. Next, pile your plate with dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, or any bitter green you enjoy. Most people think of these as just healthy vegetables, but there is a specific mechanism at work here. These greens are rich in dietary nitrates. Your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is essentially a natural relaxant for your arteries. It keeps them open, flexible, and flowing freely. It also keeps blood pressure in check. When nitric oxide levels drop, arteries stiffen, blood pressure climbs, and the conditions for plaque formation get much worse. Eating leafy greens regularly is one of the most direct ways to keep that system working. A quick tip: overcooking destroys the nitrates. Lightly steam them or eat them raw to get the most benefit. Food number three, extra virgin olive oil. For your dressing or cooking fat, use extra virgin olive oil and make sure it is the real thing. Look for cold pressed or on the label, check for a harvest date and store it away from heat and light. The reason this oil is so powerful comes down to a compound called oleocanthal. It works almost identically to ibuprofen. It blocks the same inflammatory pathways in your body. Since chronic inflammation is the root cause of arterial damage and plaque formation, this matters more than most people realize. The PREDIMED trial, one of the largest dietary studies ever conducted, found that people following a Mediterranean diet enriched with extra virgin olive oil had a 30% lower risk of major cardiovascular events compared to those on a low fat diet. Drizzle it over your greens, add it after cooking, or use it for light sauteing. Just don't use it for high heat frying. The beneficial compound break down at very high temperature. Food number 4, berries and pomegranate. On the side of your plate, add a handful of berries, blueberries and strawberries, or some pomegranate seeds. This is where antioxidants come in. Your arteries face something called oxidative stress, especially cellular rust. It damages the inner lining of your arteries and critically, it oxidizes LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL cholesterol is what sticks to arterial walls and feeds plaque growth. Non-oxidized LDL largely does not. Berries and pomegranate are packed with polyphenols that neutralize oxidative stress and prevent LDL from being oxidized in the first place. Early research on pomegranate also suggests it boosts nitric oxide production, the same compound from your leafy greens, further supporting arterial flexibility and blood flow. Fresh, frozen, or mixed into yogurt, any form counts. A small dietary portion is enough to make a real difference over time. Food number 5, raw garlic. Last but not the least, the one that surprises people most is raw garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. But there is the catch. Allicin is only released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and cooking largely destroys it. Allicin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Research also suggests it can mildly thin the blood, reducing the risk of dangerous clotting. Some studies show benefits for cholesterol, blood pressure, and arterial flexibility as well. To get the most out of it, crush or finely chop a clove and let it sit open in air for about 10 minutes before eating. This allows the allicin to fully activate. You can eat it as is, mix it into a dressing, or add it raw to a meal just before serving. This is not a magic fix. There is no food that clears your arteries overnight, but the science behind these 5 foods is solid, and what makes them powerful is that they work together. The fish stabilize soft plaque. The greens keep your arteries open. The olive oil fights the inflammation that derive damage. The berries protect against oxidative stress, and the garlic adds another level of anti-inflammatory and circulation support. The single most important factor is consistency. Small daily choices made over weeks and months are what actually shift your cardiovascular risk. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe and drop a question in the comment below. I read them all. Take care of your health. I will see you in next video.